How to set up a picture password in Windows 11. On your HP laptop, you can choose a picture and series of gestures to log in instead of typing a password. This is especially convenient for HP laptops equipped with a touchscreen. However, it can be used on HP laptops with a standard screen as well. To do this, search for and open Settings from the taskbar. Select Accounts, and then select Sign-in Options. Select Picture Password, and then click Add. If prompted, enter your computer password or PIN. Select Choose Picture. Browse to the picture you want to use, select it, and then drag it to the desired position on the screen. If you are happy with the image, select Use this picture. If you would like to choose another picture, select Choose New Picture. Use your mouse or finger for touchscreen laptops to draw 3 gestures on the picture. Use any combination of clicks, straight lines, and taps. Once you have chosen your 3 gestures, repeat them in the same sequence to confirm them. To start the process over at any time, click Start Over. On the Congratulations screen, click Finish. You can now use your picture password to log in to your computer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.